All right, g'day. Ben Amos from Engage Video Marketing here to help you grow your business through engaging with strategic online video. I wanted to jump on a quick video today and share with you a quick little hack, I guess, a tip for how you can make use of LinkedIn native video subtitles. Now, LinkedIn has had native video on the platform for a little while now, but only recently have they introduced the ability to add SRT or subtitle files to your LinkedIn videos, which is awesome because it enables that the videos that autoplay in the LinkedIn feed to have basically captions for people who are watching without sound, which most people on mobile devices are initially watching video content without sound. So my challenge here is if you're like me and you've got quite a bit of video content on YouTube that already has captions for those videos, then it's a simple, easy way that I want to share with you today on how to take those videos and those caption files that are already set up on your YouTube videos and get them into the native LinkedIn video platform. So I'm going to share with you a quick tip. It's only going to take a couple of minutes, so stick with me and let's see how simple this is to do. So you'll see here that I've got one of my videos which is public on my YouTube channel. This one's called Brand Character Archetypes. This is on the Engage Video Marketing YouTube channel. Now this one's already been set up. It's ready to go. So if I click over to the subtitles tab here, this is in the video manager where you edit at the back of your videos. And basically what we've got here is we've already got a published subtitle. If you haven't already got those subtitles, then you can use rev.com, which is about $1 a minute, $1 US a minute to get those subtitle files created. Or one of my favorite ways is actually using the auto transcription or auto subtitles from YouTube and then just fixing it, because sometimes there's a few little errors in a few words in the auto transcription from YouTube, but once you fix that, then you've got a perfectly formatted subtitle file. So once you're happy with your subtitles in YouTube, it's simple to download them and use them for LinkedIn video. So what you'll see here is you've got this, we're now in the editing section of the subtitle file, and we click on Actions, Download.srt, and you'll see there it's brought down a file called Captions1.srt. You can see that down the bottom. So that's the caption file for the video. Now, if I click back into my video manager, what I'm going to be able to do is to download the MP4 file of that actual video as well. And the MP4 file is in exactly the right format for uploading to LinkedIn video natively. So if you've already got that MP4 file on your computer somewhere, then you can just upload that MP4 file. You don't have to actually download it from YouTube, but it's quite simple to do. All we're going to do is to click on this drop down arrow next to that Brand Character Archetypes video, click on Download MP4. It's going to take a minute to download, and then we'll be ready to go jumping into LinkedIn. So now we're in LinkedIn. What we're going to do is to actually add the video as a post. So I'm going to click on Video. It's in my downloads here on my Mac Finder, and it's called Brand Character Archetypes.mp4. Now what you want to do is to wait until this preview of the video comes up. So when this preview of your MP4 video comes up in your post, there's this little pen icon here. We click on the pen, and now we're going to add the SRT file. So we select File. Remember, this one was called Captions (1), and it's again in my Downloads folder. Obviously I could put it somewhere else if I needed to, but there it is there, Captions (1) SRT. Open. Click on Save. Now I've just pasted in there some text which I'd already prepared to make this video a bit smoother for you guys. So I've got my post text ready to go on my LinkedIn video. I've added my caption file and I click Post. It is as simple as that. So hopefully that helps you guys. If you are using LinkedIn video native in the platform, it is a fantastic advice to be using your SRT files or adding those caption files And again, you can just get those caption files done through a platform like rev.com if you haven't got those caption files already. Or if you're using YouTube, you can just download those SRT files exactly as I've shown you there. So let me know in the comments if that was useful to you. Thanks a lot. Again, if you want to find out more information or any further help on engaging with strategic online video, head on over to engagevideomarketing.com and jump into the other resources that we've got there. Thanks, guys. I'll see ya later.